Hey, it's Trey Cross, founder of the Cross 3 Network, and I want to give you a simple two-note chord that will instantly add flair to your playing. Alright, so this two-note chord, most experienced musicians should already know this, but if you're just getting started, you haven't been playing that long, this two-note chord is called the tritone. So the tritone is simply a two-note chord with any two notes with 5 notes in between. All right. So you can use this tritone to make it's typically played in the left hand. Okay. Typically played in the left hand. It makes your chords sound more full. They give them a little flair. Especially and you can add a little more flair depending on how you play them. Sometimes you can play a tritone down a half step, and you can go up a half step to give it a little more flair. The cool thing about tritones, you can use them. Most gospel musicians use tritones quite a bit, and then you can use them in worship settings. You can use them in praise settings. You can use them in churchy settings to make your chord sound more churchy. So tritones is a really, really, really nice, cool, interesting chord to really add flair to your playing. So like I said, any two notes with 5 notes in between. And like I said, you can use this chord to sound more churchy. You can use this chord to add more flair and more life to your chords to make your chord sound more full. The tritone is a really, really cool chord. So learn the tritone.